In today's video, I'm going to teach you the fastest and simplest way to build a project plan in Smartsheet using templates. If you've ever built a plan from scratch, you know it can be a time sink. Today, you'll learn how to kickstart any project using Smartsheet's Solution Center so you can get organized and moving quickly. Start on the Smartsheet homepage and look for the plus icon. It's the starting point for creating anything new. Go ahead and click it. If the screen feels busy, that's normal. Smartsheet is packed with features, but we're keeping it simple and focused. From the options that appear, choose templates. Templates do the heavy lifting for you by providing a structure you can adapt in minutes instead of hours. Next, select View All Templates or Browse Templates depending on what you see. This opens the full gallery. You're now in the Solution Center, which is Smartsheet's library of ready-to-use project solutions. At the top, use the search bar and type the word Plan. This filters the results so you can quickly find planning-focused templates. You'll see a range of options from straightforward project plans to Gantt-style layouts with timelines. Take a moment to browse and pick the one that aligns with your work. If you're managing a marketing campaign, a product launch, or any other initiative, there's likely a template tailored to it. Click the one you like to open a preview. This shows how tasks, dates, and columns are organized so you can confirm it fits your needs. If it looks good, click Create from Template. Give it a few seconds to load into your workspace. Once it opens, the real magic begins. You're inside your new, fully structured project plan. Everything here is flexible. Rename the project to match your initiative. Update task names to reflect your work, and adjust start and end dates to align with your schedule. If a column isn't relevant, remove it. If you need something specific, add a new column. Assign tasks to team members so responsibilities are clear, set priorities to highlight what matters most, and attach relevant files right to the rows so context stays with the work. You can also tweak the layout to match your workflow. Think of the template as a strong foundation that you shape to fit your team and process. And that's it. You've created a functional project plan in a fraction of the time. Templates are designed to save you effort, and you can continue refining them as your project evolves. If this was helpful, please like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Smartsheet and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.